In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Chat, new updates. First, open ClickUp and head to the overview area of your workspace or team space. This is the best place to see everything at a glance and makes it easy to jump into the right work. From here, locate and open the project you want to collaborate on. Selecting the correct project ensures your conversations and resources stay neatly organized and tied to the work that matters. Inside the project, look for the option to Add Channel. This creates a dedicated chat channel connected to that project, so discussions, files, and actions stay in context. As you add a channel, choose a clear name and confirm who should see it. Keeping channel names consistent with your project naming helps teammates find the right place quickly. Once the channel is created, you'll land in the chat for that specific project. You'll see a familiar messaging area where you can type updates, mention teammates, reply in threads, and react with emojis. Threads are especially useful for keeping topics grouped, so conversations don't get lost as the channel grows. Next, add people who need to be part of the conversation. You can invite teammates directly and adjust visibility if needed. It's a good idea to confirm notifications for the most active contributors so they don't miss key decisions. If your team previously coordinated in Slack, you can import from Slack to bring over relevant members and message history. This helps maintain continuity and gives everyone context without switching tools. Follow the prompts and make sure you have the right permissions to complete the import. ClickUp Chat also lets you track tasks from right inside the conversation. Reference tasks, check statuses, and keep updates visible without leaving the channel. This makes it easier to align on priorities and hold owners accountable. You can add docs to collaborate on specifications, meeting notes, or guidelines in real time. Linking or creating a doc directly in chat keeps the latest version one click away for everyone. When a conversation needs FaceTime, start a voice or video call. Allow your browser to use your mic and camera, and you'll be collaborating live in seconds. This is perfect for quick decisions, blockers, or walkthroughs. For a faster workflow, use the chat as usual or click suggestions to get smart prompts and helpful guidance like drafting summaries or refining your message. Finally, attach files right in the channel. Drag and drop images, PDFs, or spreadsheets so your resources sit with the discussion they support. That's it. Your project chat is set up, connected, and ready to keep your team moving.